Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. What we got going on today is I'm gonna be relocating these bad boys right here. These are my air switches. I'm gonna relocate them to over here, where this is at. I'm gonna try to get the lines to go into here before cutting into anything. It's pretty freaking hard, so I don't know how I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna try. If not, I have a backup, but I do not want to do that. So hopefully I'm able to do this one. I'm gonna try to cut them and put them here, I guess, like here and here, just you know. So let's see how that goes. But yeah, the worst thing possibly just happened. So I was disconnecting these. I disconnected the first hose. Nothing happened. Disconnected the second hose. The front went all the way down, fucking faster than shit. And this happened. This just happened. It broke again. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. That's pretty fucking annoying. Can't do much now about it. This side's fine. Fuck, man. Damn, that fucking bugs, dude. Welp. So I got the hole made right there. It's pretty easy. I got it made. It fits in there. I'm just not gonna push it in all the way. Actually, you know, I'm trying. There you go, all the way. So, doesn't sit too bad. Pretty cool. You know? There you go. So I'll pop it out, run the lines, and then I'll sit it in there. So I got the hose cut out, everything pretty much ready to go, all the lines fitted. One of the lines did get back in there and lost, and they're pain in the ass to bring out, especially since they're coiled up, so it's like they only go a certain way. But it's going good so far. I mean, been pain in the ass, but good so far. So I got everything back on. That's how it's looking. Not too bad. But fucked up big time. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyways, I forgot about, I took off the fucking radio and all that shit's right there. So what am I gonna do? I don't know. I might have to just take those off, that bracket right there, and then just have one. Probably gonna end up doing that, but fuck, such an idiot. Oh well. So I got everything back on. That's that right there. Trying to see if there's any leaks. So far, no leaks. Cleared it up here. I am changing this out. I'm modifying this whole thing right here. I'm gonna be doing like a aluminum plate right here. It's gonna look more cool. So I'm gonna be doing that soon. And then also I'm gonna be doing those doors. card doors, I forgot what they're called, card slots, doors, whatever. It's gonna be flat. I'm be doing a couple modifications here and there, but I got this one. I've been wanting to do this one, so I finally did it. Looks good. Like I said, no leaks so far. We'll see how it goes though. I don't think it's leaking, so we're good for now. But anyways, that's that for that. Thank you guys for watching that one. It was a pain in the ass. It's a cool little modification that I like wanted to do since I already had the gauge here. I was like, might as well do it. But I might be changing some stuff around later in the future, because I might put doubled in. I might put a doubled in here, right here where this is at, and then I'll move these down to here, where I'll get a plate, put it right here, and then it'll fit right there. It'll be pretty cool. So we'll see about that. That'll be a cool future project to do, but I have to mock up some stuff and then do that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.